I have a big question for you and I would really like to hear your feedback. So please post your comments below after you hear the whole video. So you're in a market for a townhome and you have two choices. The first one is in Burlington. I'm showing you this beautifully renovated townhome that it's in an established neighborhood, good schools, lots of amenities. Second choice, brand new townhouse in Oakville that is bigger, everything is nicer, state of art. Also, it's in a developing neighborhood, so you can hear a lot of dust and noise. The amenities are not there yet, but they will come eventually. And it's $250,000 more. Let's get started. I'll show you the properties and you tell me what do you think about that. I'm Milena. I'm a local real estate agent in Burlington, Ontario, and I firmly believe of helping people to find the right place that fits their budget and their lifestyle. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so you're on the top of everything that is happening in our area, because our team drops content every single week about things that are happening here. And this way you can stay tuned. Now let's go over both properties and you're gonna tell me which one do you think is better. This way we're helping everybody, especially people who are looking for townhome. I'm standing in front of typical older townhomes in Burlington, and that's the one that I will show you how it looks from the inside after renovation. We're starting with the townhome in Burlington. This is an older place that it's fully renovated, and what I wanted to pinpoint is it's not just in an established neighborhood, but Burlington is famous that pretty much all the groceries or all the stores you need are around the corner. If you see a major intersection, there's always a big shopping plaza, so the convenience is there. Here, basically you walk to it. It's that close. Again, they build it in a very convenient way and a layout. This one particularly, the maintenance fee is $266. And the interesting part, it has not changed. That shows you that we're talking about stable construction. There is not much maintenance to put in, and this fee includes the insurance, the parking, and basically all the maintenance of the landscape. So it's beautifully done place. Look at the floors, nice wooden ones, nice features as well. And the kitchen is very beautiful with all new appliances. Upstairs you have 3 bedrooms with 2.5 bathrooms, and downstairs it's actually like an in-suite where you have one big room and a bathroom. Everything is nicely done. Really, this home is ready to move in, and this is downstairs. You can see the utility room, washroom, so it's very, very convenient. Click subscribe. So what do you think about the first property? Definitely drop your comments in the box. If you need any help finding the right place for yourself, feel free to reach out. My information is in the description box below. You can reach me via email, phone call, Zoom, whatever works for you. We are there for you. Here is a new built townhouse, and that's the one we're gonna talk about today. Let's see what's up in Oakville on the other side of the road. So this is the new development. The townhouse that I found is not exactly what I wanted to show you. But it's very similar, and the square footage is also the same, about 22 to 2300 square feet, where in Burlington it's much smaller, about 1500 square feet. This one also is 250,000 more. There are other things about it that I wanted to show you. So it's open layout, very bright, nice amenities. You can tell that the builder actually put money into here. Look at the wooden floors. I will show you now the new amenities here. Everything is modern. Look at the kitchen, state of an art as well. So, and it's very spacious, by the way. And then when you go upstairs, you're getting into the bedrooms. Yes, you do have a balcony where you can put a barbecue, and they also have like a small yard downstairs. This unit doesn't have a basement, so you are getting really, really modern features for your money, and this is Oakville, of course. So besides that, that's how pretty much the townhouses look. They also have a double garage and double driveway, so you get definitely more space, but you do have to pay more. And then something that I do not want you to forget, Oakville has higher property taxes than Burlington. So if in Burlington you're paying for that older townhome about $3,000 a year, in Oakville you pay about $5,000. Otherwise, what is very interesting is the maintenance fees are the same. So this is a new construction. We don't know how well it's built. We assume it's built well because the features are very nice, and maybe the maintenance fee will stay the same. But it's something definitely to consider. Now you know how is the second property. What are the pros and the cons? Let us know, what do you think about that? Maybe that will be better for you, but the price is higher. Keep in mind that there are two types of townhomes. One of it is freehold. It's basically having a house because you're responsible for everything. And the other one is a condominium structure where you have shared walls usually, and you have the condominium association. There are other subtypes, but if you need any help or you have any questions, please leave your comments in a box, or you can reach me via email, phone call, Zoom, whatever works for you. I'm there for you. And that way we can help you out to find the right place for yourself. Make sure you share your experience. How is it to look for a townhome? What did you find beneficial? What was the worst thing that may happen, so we can help everybody. This is the end of the video. I hope you did like the breakdown of both properties and now you have an opinion on both of them. Please share them with everyone so we can help each other. Thank you so much for staying with me throughout the video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video. You have a great day, and I will see you on the next one.